Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm William. In today's video, I will show you how to import brushes into Affinity Designer. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Okay, currently I've opened my Canva page I'm working on, and then I'm in the design persona. This is the pixel persona. Mind you, if you put a brush into the pixel persona, it doesn't show up here. It shows up in the design persona. So I don't want to do that here to stress myself. So I'm going back to the design persona and then I'll click on the brushes panel here, which is the brushes panel here. And then I want to click on the hamburger menu or icon and then I'll select import brushes. And then where my brushes are saved, they are on the desktop. So I'll select brushes and then go to the one I want to install, which is the arrow brushes, and then file for Affinity Designer users. I'll click on the brush, and then I'll select Open. Then the brush is now loaded into Affinity Designer. So this will be my brush. When I click on the list menu, this will be my brush, and these are the brushes that I just imported into. So how do I use them? I'll click on the vector brushes and then I'll select a brush and then I'll just draw. As you can see, it's fully working. So if you like this video, kindly give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe, comment, share the video as it helps the channel grow. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.